all of you. Thank you so much, because the gathering here, I'm considering is a gathering between friends. That is why we are celebrating these 50 years of our diplomatic relations with friends, and their intention to promote our relations, to consolidate our ties through many, many activities and initiatives. Of course, we should be more concrete in our action. And well, 50 years, it's a good period of history, but my opinion that in any way history consists in some specific episodes. I remember approximately 1 year ago, I came to Cebu in July 2025, after the election, and through Army, we organized a very productive meeting with the Governor Pamela Bariquatro. And at that time, I raised the question how we can implement our, I can say, very heavy luggage of achievements. It means we have the agreements of cooperation of 2009, and on 2024, the agreements of cooperation with St. Petersburg. It works. But my idea was to enlarge our cooperation and to put it the new actor on the province level. It means the city of Moscow. Yesterday I just explained that Moscow, in accordance of our constitution, it not only a city, but it is a region. That is why we could, through Moscow, establish inter-regional cooperation. And I asked Pamela Bariquatro what she's thinking about this idea, and she agreed totally. And now this meeting is a confirmation that our ideas, our dreams could come true. But the signing of the documents, Vice Governor mentions that it's very important procedure, and I hope that the Provincial Council will be also helpful to approve this program of cooperation, which was signed yesterday by Pamela Bariquatro and Deputy Minister Vyacheslav Manuelov. It's only one step. How we can implement it, how we can do it feasible to the people. Of course, through many initiatives. Yesterday we just conducted some of them on the cultural and maybe social fields. The chess tournament, for example, between our Grand Master, Mr. Popov, brought within these days of Moscow in Cebu, especially to have a real battle against 15th young, not grandmaster, but in any way, masters of chess. And we understand that here in Cebu, the chess play is very, not only popular, but very, very advanced.